Hey guys, I am your tech consultant and you are watching a lecture series on Adobe Photoshop, and this is second lecture. In this video, I will teach you how you can select a new document and what will be the basic settings you will be considering. So first of all, I will tell you how to start making a new document. So in the file, you can click on New and you will reach to this interface, or you can just click Control plus New. You will press the two keys Control plus N and you will be ending on this window. So you can see this Windows has the different things in that. I will tell you one by one. These are basically the formats or the document setting which we have recently been done, and after that you can see here is a saved. In the saved you will see anything, any preset you have saved. So I will tell you today how you can save a preset more precisely. So in this you can just see the photo. For photo you can see the different presets. These are basically presets if you are working with the photo, and these could be landscape. This is a landscape 4:6 and 5:7, and you can see the 300 pixels, and these presets for the print. You can see the letter size, laser size, tabloid, A4 size paper. If you are working with art and Illustrator, these are already saved presets. If you are working on the web, you can see the different sizes of the images which are working on the webs, and similarly on the mobile, if you will go on the mobile tab, you will see the different sizes of the mobile which has already been added in this area as a preset. And if you are working on the film and video, you can just also see which type of thumbnail of a video you are going to make. You can just click on that and you will appear. You will have anything. Like if I am working on HDTV type file type, in which we have to do the pixels of this orientation, so we can just click on it and we will go to this video. If we don't found any type of the dimensions which we are working with, we can select it by ourselves. So we can just change its name. It's untitled, and we can just say the preset 1, and I need width like 4 inches. This is pixel, and you can just change it from any unit you want to change. Like it was in pixels, but I want in inches. Please keep in mind that a pixel is used when you are designing anything for electronic media, and inches and centimeters, millimeters are done for the graphs, designs for the print media. So I will select inches, and I will select 4 inches for example, and its height will be 4 inches too. Secondly, this is a color mode. There are the two color modes basically which you have to consider. One is RGB and second is CMYK. CMYK color is used for print media and RGB color is used for electronic media. So I will use CMYK because I am using it in inches, and it is supposed that I will be working on you can say print media. So I will just click create, and here is a canvas on of my desired size. If I will go back again to that page, one thing I forgot to tell you, like this was the custom thumbnail, and I have made this according to this, and I have been using this setting. I can just click on that to use as preset. I will click here and they say saved document preset, and I can say it is preset 1. So this is saved, and you can see we have made a preset 1 in this area. So you can just, if you are working more on certain type of designs, you can just make your own dimensional, or you can make your own document and you can just edit it anytime, and it saves a lot of your time instead of searching these things. So this was all about selecting a new document. In the next video we will be discussing one of these tools.